Sports of Kings, where racing is always at its best. And the rope. Early lead is taken by Redemption from the outside, and by the rail is Tiger Moon. In between horses is High Money now moving up to grab the lead. It is now High Money in the lead, followed by Tiger Moon in second, by the rail Redemption running in third. Evox and Len Len. The mid-back stretch, it's High Money on the outside. By the rail is Tiger Moon. And closing in third is Redemption, Evox and Len Len. And at the far turn, it's High Money on the outside. And Tiger Moon by the rail in second. A very close third is Redemption on the outside. And the last bend for home, it is still High Money on the outside, followed by Tiger Moon by the rail. And here comes Redemption moving up on the farther outside. The top stretch, High Money on the outside. By the rail is Tiger Moon. On the farther outside is Redemption. But it's still High Money on the outside. Tiger Moon by the rail. Redemption on the farther outside. It's High Money. High Money on the outside, and by the rail, Tiger Moon. Redemption on the farther outside. It is still High Money and Redemption on the outside. Tiger Moon by the rail. And finally, at the payoff line, it's High Money, Tiger Moon, Redemption, Len Len, and Evox.
Okay, fourth